Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of this red folder strategy. I told you guys I'll meet with you guys on Thursday again, and I thought let me have a chat to you now and record this. If we look at my screen here, I just want to show you there was red folder news, obviously Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday there was something going on, but yeah, for some reason it doesn't show anything. But anyways, I did say I'll come back and see you guys on Thursday, and here I am. 8:30 this morning, there was some news, unemployment claims, and there's Fed, Chair Powell speaks. But this is what happened before the market even opened. So if you look at my chart, you'll see this is the 8:30 news. It's a live market, and I'll show you my entries and my trades now. So obviously there were some trades that are scalped down here to that liquidity there, and then the next liquidity, but then I got out early because I was waiting for the red folder news. And that yellow line there, that's when the markets open. So you can see I'm done for the day. I'm trading even before the market starts. So 8:30 we got this big spike up and a little spike down, so we mark it out for targets. And sure enough, we spoke through the first one, which goes into this fair value gap down here, which is fine. And then I was just waiting for some, inverted fair value gap. We did came down, create this aggressive move down, and take that old low out, but did not go and take this low out. So I saw this inverted fair value gap, and I thought, okay, well, this is it. I'm gonna take it. If it wants to go lower, that's fine. I'll just keep my stops tight, and then it must stop me out. The very first candle came to test it, so obviously I jumped in early here because we closed above the 50%, and I was very confident that we might push higher. So I took it half my position here, and then I waited for the retest and took another trade there. And then I just sat through it, and sure enough we reached target, and that was a quick trade. And you don't have to sit and try your luck on anything else. And you're done for the day. That's what you do. This is how you follow the strategy. Let me show you my actual entries, executions, and you'll see. Don't mind these. These are just scalps that I took on these liquidity lines and all of that. But this is what I want to bring your attention to. So we got the target, we broke down, I entered my first 5 micros there. I took another retest there. I could have taken more here, but I mean, that would be me just over leveraging my account. So that's my risk parameters, is maximum 2 sets of 5 micros, and it's just basically sit back and relax. And sure enough, we went all the way, and I took full profit up there. I did not scale here because the minute we broke through these highs, I moved my stop to break even, and that's it. I'm done. I'm out of the trade before the market. Powell speaking now. Now it's creating some, if you were eager, or a lot of people don't have the patience, and we want to hit home runs. These are bread and butter trades, a bread and butter strategy. Clear rules. I mean, I've been showing it for you guys for the last 3 weeks live, and I mean, it's up to you to decide if it's something you would like to do. But if you one of those other people who's greedy and want to hold on, because I wanted to go all the way up here to this dotted line, which do believe that's where we're going, but this can now drop all the way to stop you out, to run this low, like I said, but it didn't do it here. This thing can drop all the way down there now, and then all your profits are done. I would have get stopped out at break even, no profits on the table. The key thing about trading is, if there's profits on the table, you got to take something off. You got to reduce your risk and take something off, unless you feel like you want to risk not taking anything to go to the full target, not up here 5,000 points and all of that. All right, and that's basically it, what I've got for you today. This is just another trade that I set on Tuesday. I'll see you guys on Thursday, and here we are, and yet again the trade played out. So if you guys are interested or really serious, of becoming good traders, and profitable traders and consistent traders, or want to get funded, drop a comment below, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and ask away any questions. I will gladly assist or get back to you. And obviously, at the end of the day, I'm not selling anything, so all of this is free. I'm trading it live anyways. So if I trade it live, why can't I share it? So why should I sell it? So don't be shy. Reach out to me and let's chat, and let's see what's happening tomorrow. I think tomorrow there is some red folder news. Tomorrow there is 8:30 in the morning, a score PCE. I don't know how big that news will be. It's red folder. But I'll be here tomorrow and see if we get another dream candle for us to give us an opportunity. But if there's nothing, guys, then I'm not going to trade it. And I will have a long weekend. So this strategy is designed for you to mark out 2 liquidity pools. You let the market take the one side, you target the other side. It's clear, will take all the emotion out. There's discipline to this. It's all you got to do, and you'll make money. So leave you with that thought, and I'll speak to you guys maybe tomorrow. It depends on what the market presents. Otherwise, I'll speak to you guys over the weekend and give my market review like always. And let's plan for next week. It's NFP, so there's a lot of crazy stuff that might happen. So, and maybe there's more money for us to be made. Have a great day, and chat to you guys later. Bye-bye.